Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
I don't know what's going on. They must have just started the order when I got here, but it's been like 10 minutes of me sitting at this window, and I don't even see anyone working inside.
Here's the drink. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, there we go. About 10 minutes past the estimated pickup time, but we got it. Oh, that was a no tip. Okay, I'm glad that one took so long then. That's fine. Total for that one was $9. Next order up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 2.5 miles, and they just gave me an add-on. It's going 0 extra feet, so I'm not sure if they ordered again. The little icon on the map was slightly to the left, so maybe it was just like their neighbor or something. Either way, we've got 2 orders going pretty much to the same place. Handed to me, pin required. Oh, that's rare for DoorDash. All right, good to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one. Thank you. Oh, this one's literally right across the street. All right, total for those 2 was $11. Actually pretty good. Those were super easy. Oh my God, this road is so bumpy. It's so dark I can't even see the bumps. Going right back to Black Rock Coffee. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you.
Thanks.
I think I recognize the name on this order, so I think I know where this is going, and I also think this is a no tip.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
It was who I thought it was, where it was going, and no tip. Total for that was just under $5. Been sitting around for about 10 minutes, but we finally got an order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 4 miles, 7 items. Got the next order pretty much right away. Got a Sherry's going 6 miles.
I got a hand warmer in my pocket. My fingers are so
That's a good idea.
They work good.
Yeah.
So I just found them online.
Oh, did you? Yeah. Are they just like the temporary ones, or are they? No. Oh, I've seen those. Can I?
They like plug
You
in.
just you charge them. That is really cool.
I absolutely love it.
That is actually not a bad idea. I just worry how they would do with getting wet because it rains a lot here. Total for that order was $777. Just got the next order literally as I'm pulling up to the restaurant. We've got a voodoo donut. This is going, I think it's at 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Whoa. That's ice. Oh my goodness. Almost had an insurance claim right there. Maybe that would have been a good idea. This is a really nice property. Total for that order was $14. Finally got the next order. We've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Jack in the Box and Starbucks. These are going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank
Have
you.
a great rest of your day.
You too.
Picking up
Jenny? Yeah.
Or Jenny.
Thank you. Total for that order was just under $12. Really good order, actually. And we're heading right back to Starbucks. This is going about 1.5 miles. Thank you. Hello. Total for that order was $4 and change. Not amazing, but it did only take me like 5 minutes. And we've got the next order right away. This is Victor Rico's. This one's going, I think it's at 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I knew that was going to be a no tip. Total for that was $4. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 2 miles. Got the next order right away. This is going to be a Subway going 6 miles. Thank you. That's going to be another no tip. Total for that was $6 and change. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $7 going 2 miles, 2 items.
Touch the quick look. Please scan it now.
Yeah, I know this was just kind of hard to find. Thank you.
And I just need a pin from you. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Peachtree Restaurant and Don Pedro. I think the total is going to be going, I want to say 8 miles. Thank you. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that stack was $19. Ooh, very good, very good. Most of that came from the Peachtree order, obviously, because, I mean, come on. You saw the pyramid inside of that bag. It was huge. But anyways, time to go home because I am starving. Current time is 10:43. Current total, we are at 103. I think I'm still waiting on 1 Uber tip. So that should bring it up to about 109, maybe 110. That's going to be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.